This is Module 3, Lesson 4 homework, and we're working on adding fractions again, but this time our sum is going to be more than a whole, so we're going to talk about what to do with that and how to write that as a mixed number. So just like yesterday, for the following problems, draw a picture using the rectangular fraction model and write the answer. When possible, write your answer as a mixed number. So we're going to look at this first one here. So 3/4, first thing we got to do is draw our 3/4. We're going to shade in the 3/4 that the problem is talking about. And then we're going to do 1/3. And I like to do the second one horizontally so that we can kind of see how they would lay on top of one another. I'm drawing 1/3. I'm going to take my horizontal lines from my third and put them over here, and my lines to make these fourths, and put those over here. So now I have 12ths. I'm going to go ahead and put my denominators down. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 12ths plus 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives me 13 12ths. And we know that 13 12ths is more than 1 because 12 12ths would be 1. So we could rewrite this as 12 12ths plus 1 12th, because that would equal 13 12ths. And 12 12ths plus 1 12th is 1 and 1 12th. So that's how we're doing those. And I'm going to go over and do this last word problem here as well. Mr. Sinofsky used 5/8 of a tank of gas on a trip to visit relatives for the weekend, and another 1/2 of a tank commuting to work for the next week. He then took another weekend trip and used 1/4 tank of gas. How many tanks of gas did Mr. Sinofsky use altogether? So let's find out. Let's see. He used 5/8 of a tank there. Let's look at our important information. We need to figure out how many tanks he used altogether. So I know I'm going to be okay. And then I have 1/2 of a tank here and 1/4 of a tank here. Okay, I'm going to need to add all those together. So if I have 5/8 plus 1/2 plus 1/4, you could do this a number of ways. If the kids are really still using fraction models and that really helps them, you could draw all these out and see that all of these numbers go into 16. You could make 16ths for every one of them, and then you could add them together, find out how much you have, simplify. So we'll do that one first. So if I have So I know that I can make each of those 8ths. We'll just go there. We can make each of them 8ths. So if I know if I have 5/8, one half, 1/4. Fourths can become 8ths by dividing it in half there. Halves can become 8ths by making that into fourths as well. So each box now has 8ths in it. And we know that because a 2 can go into 8 and a 4 can go into 8. We just need to make the pieces match. So now, I guess it's easier to show that visually. Now we can say we have 5/8 plus 4/8 plus 2/8. We have 9, 10, 11 8ths. So now we know that he used 1 3/8 tank of gas.